Good morning to all. Today we are going to look at this story in the third lesson. The name of the lesson, The Right Place. First, see new words we can learn from this lesson. Toes, one of the digits of the foot. Second one, desert, a region of land that is very dry. Sand, crushed stones. Rocks, the moss of stone. Eyelashes, one of the hairs which grow along the edge of eyelids. Winds, air. Next, humps, abnormal curvature, the upper skin. Hard skin, the outer protective layer of the body. Product, keep safe. Zoo, collection of wild animals. Next, go to the story. In this story, a mother camel and baby camel are talking. First, the baby camel asks its mother, "Ma, the elephants have short legs with 5 toes. But why do I have long legs with 2 toes?" What the baby camel tells the mother? The elephants have short legs with 5 toes. But why do I have long legs with 2 toes? The mother tells, "My child, we live in the desert. The desert has a lot of sand and rocks. Our legs help us to walk in the loose desert sand. Our toes protect us from the hot sand." What mom says is that having legs like this will only help you walk in the loose desert. And next, the baby camel asks the mother, "Ma, why do I have these long eyelashes?" The mother says, "My child, in the desert there are strong winds. These winds carry sand with them. Our eyelashes keep our eyes safe from these winds." What the mother camel says protects our eyelids only when the terrible wind blows. And next, mother camel tells, "Do you know why we have humps on our back? In the desert, it's hard to find food and water. Our humps store food so that we can use the food in the hump if we cannot find it in the desert." What the mother camel says can store food in their humps. And next, again the baby camel asks the mother, "Ma, can you tell me why we have hot skin?" The mother tells, "It saves us from thorny cactus plants as well as from the hot sun and cold nights in the desert." What mother tells? It saves us from thorny cactus plants as well as from the hot sun and cold nights in the sand. Finally, the baby camel asks the mother, "Ma, but why are we in the zoo? Why are we not in the desert?" The mother camel did not know what to say. Students, so the mother camel and baby camel are talking just like they were at the zoo. Now, what would that mother camel saying? Students, think about it. But if there is a camel in this desert, we cannot even see it. Because it is in the zoo, we can easily see. Through this lesson, we learned that the camel has 2 toes and that it stores food in its humps and has long eyelashes. See the supplementary. First, take the correct one. What was the first picture? That is eyelashes. Second one, toe. And third one, desert. And next, match the picture with its use. First one, hump. Hump stores food. So, hump stores food. Second one, toe. That is, protects from hot sand. Third one, eyelashes. This protects from sandy winds. Fourth one, dark skin. Protects from cactus. And next, listen, think and write. Name the animal in this story. The animal in the story is camel. Why does camel have long legs? The long legs helps to walk in the sand. Why does camel have long eyelashes? The eyelashes protect it from sandy winds. And next, where does the camel store food? The camel stores food in its hump. And next, where are the camels in the story? The camels are in the zoo. Thank you.